I'm Aswathi. I'm from Hosur, Tamil Nadu. I completed my BTech in Electronics and Communication Engineering from Vellore Institute of Technology, Chennai. After graduating, I wanted to pursue my career in embedded systems. So I was looking for a coaching center based on that. And then I joined Emertxe as an online batch on May 2025. In my college, we got a lot of exposure in VLSI and embedded systems. My final year project was based on embedded systems. I got interest in working with all the hardware and the software components. So that's when I decided I want to have a career in embedded systems. So that's why I joined Emertxe. The course was from the beginning, from the scratch. Even though if we don't have basic knowledge in C, embedded systems or DSA, the courses were organized in such a way that even beginners can start it. That's how I started. I learned C, DSA, C++, all from the scratch. So it was very useful to do hands-on. We have lab separately, theory separately. So we were able to concentrate on each of it in the particular time. And we had projects where we did hands-on. So if pointers is just a concept, we implemented that in project. So it was great. I did 5 projects from C, C++ and DSA. The mentors gave the overview of what project we have to do, and if we get any errors, we're always there to help on each of the projects. It was great building those projects and seeing what we have learned come in live before us was very exciting. Even though I got an opportunity outside, I was continuing my journey with Emertxe. So it was interesting. They made the class very interactive. I didn't want to give up. It gave us a pre-career experience before joining the actual institute. It was fun collaborating with everybody, learning what the industry wants, because in college we have vast subjects. So we really don't know where to concentrate. But this institute got me a very in-depth knowledge on whatever concepts the industry really wants. So HCL, I had my written test and then I had one technical interview. They asked about Python, C, about pointers, everything. And since I have experience in Fast API, they asked questions in Fast API as well.
I'm Abhirama. I'm from Kundapura, Udupi district. I have done my engineering on NI College, National Institute of Engineering College, Mysuru. I have done BTech in Electronics and Communication Engineering. During internship days, I developed the interest in embedded systems. So when I researched regarding the best embedded system, how to upskill in embedded system and all, and so I took the feedback from the senior where he has got the place in Qualcomm at online. So while opting online, so I decided to choose the online. Since online and offline both are giving the equal opportunity, so I opted the online. So the course structure basically started from Linux systems and followed by C, data structures and algorithms, and then the microcontroller module, and then at last Linux internals module. So yeah, it consists of various assignments and projects. So I have done each and every assignments on up to date. Like initially it was difficult to cope up with the things, but gradually by doing the assignments and projects, I have gained the much knowledge. So that's how the projects I have done totally 9 projects in Emertxe, 1 additional project and 3 in C module, 2 in data structures and algorithms, and 2 in microcontrollers module and 2 in Linux internals module. Total I have done 9 projects. So that's how the projects helped me to gain the better depth regarding the embedded systems. So in interview, I was asked the LSB steganography project. So where I have worked on with my own custom image. So that's where I was worked in end-to-end development. So even though the Emertxe team at initially they gave a good understanding regarding the project. So later on, I have worked on end-to-end completely the project. So whatever the follow-up questions asked in the interview, I was able to answer. Apart from that, the assignments helped me a lot where each and every assignments I was doing up to date. So that's how it helped me. Joining Emertxe was the best decision I have made, and that too I was in doubt that whether the online would work the things better or not. So yeah, I would suggest the future students that we can opt the online Pixim Lab. Direct hardware we may not get, but understanding the concepts are much important rather than like knowing the concepts is much better. So we can opt the online.
Hi, this is Hensilin. I'm from Tamil Nadu, Vellore, graduated from VIT Vellore. I have done BTech ECE, passed out in 2025, and then I have joined Emertxe. I was checking for training program to join, and then I came to know about Emertxe. Obviously, I have scrolled to many other, but since Emertxe has very genuine reviews on online, I gained interest in embedded system because during 3rd year, I was studying microcontroller subject in my BTech. Then I gained interest, then I had IoT subject. I have done an internship in IoT, embedded systems. That's how my interest grew in embedded systems. Then after graduation, I thought that I would join an embedded system course to develop my skills, and that's how I found Emertxe. In Emertxe, they were very friendly and they break down complex concepts easily, and for every concept there are practice, and we gain hands-on experience, and we have 2 projects, and that's how it helped me to develop my skills. In Emertxe, they start from very basics, like from data types, and they advance to advanced pointers. So it is designed in that way, which is very helpful. And being on online, what is the advantage means we have recorded sessions, so we can go back to recorded sessions if we have doubt or we have to clarify a concept.
Hi, my name is Sufiyan. I did my engineering from Emertxe Institute of Technology in Bangalore in 2024, electronics and communication. After my graduation, I didn't get any job, and after some time, I applied and got a job in tech support, and I applied for Emertxe and joined Emertxe. I was lagging a lot. To be honest, I was not able to keep up with the course because I was working in shifts, right? So I used to sometimes work in night shifts, and then I was not able to attend the morning classes. So I had to only study during Saturdays and Sundays or in some other time. And my mentors reached out to me. They asked me, why are you not attending? And they helped me a lot. If I had doubts, I could contact them at any time and they would have helped me. Since I was not able to keep up with the course, I had a lot of josh about doing this course. So I even used to study for another 2 hours and then go to sleep. Because I had these recordings, I could watch them and study whenever I wanted to. And then later on, when I just felt a bit tired or started having a lot of sleep deprivation and issues, so I only focused on studying on Saturdays and Sundays or a little bit in the weekdays. The course was structured in a proper disciplined manner. First we went from the basics C, and then we studied C++, which are the basic fundamental languages to do anything in embedded system. Then we learned about microcontrollers, data structures, and Linux internals. Doing projects was my major issue because I did not have a stretch of time where I could have spent 3 to 4 hours doing a project. So I was not able to do too many projects. I only did 5 projects. Address book, LSB steganography, and arbitrary precision calculator, and inverted search engine, and car black box, which is of microcontrollers, C, and data structures. My mentors used to call me directly. They used to call me why are you not attending? For me, they would have kept this session on Saturdays and Sundays for only one person. They used to keep on bothering me to do the things again and again. So even if I am lagging behind, I had good enough support that these things does not matter as long as I keep on track and do my things. It was a hard journey. But it was not an impossible one due to the support from Emertxe. Follow your passion, not to give up on things which actually matter to you. Working in a field where you are not interested is not a good thing. To work in something where for your whole life in a thing where you are not interested or just doing it monotonously is not a good experience. You have to follow your dreams with passion.